In this video, I am going to show you how you can replace sky in Google Photo Magic Editor. Open the photo which you want to replace the sky. Go to Google Photos and select the image which you want to replace the sky. After opening the image, tap on Edit and then tap on the Magic Editor button. Now we are in Magic Editor. Tap on the middle button and then select Sky. Now Magic Editor will analyze your photo and select the sky, and it will give you 4 edits in a few seconds. You can see before and after image. Tap and hold the image to see before and release your finger to see after image. You can swipe left or right to see the images. Here you can also see the before and after image. If you don't like it, swipe left to see the next one, and so on. If you don't like all the 4 results, you can generate more results by tapping this icon. It will give you another 4 images. Select the edited image which you like most. Then Magic Editor will save the image. You can pinch outside to zoom the image. Now let's save the image. Tap on Save Copy. Your image will be saved to your Google Photos. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can replace sky in Google Photo Magic Editor. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.